Hey guys, today, let's learn how to text to video AI generator for free. So if you guys would like to go ahead and have a specific text to video AI, or either text to video generator using AI for free, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to actually utilize a specific application for us to create an AI generated videos just by using some text. So one of the best AI generated videos or AI video generators that we can actually use online is a website called synphasia.io. So just go ahead and type on synphasia.io and that's gonna take you to their website. So from here, we can actually go ahead and try to access their website and use their AI software to create our own free AI generated video. So just tap on create a free AI video and all we need to do is enter our preferred script. Of course, the first step is to choose our video template from this list, and I'm gonna choose this complement one, and I'm gonna go ahead and type in my quick video script for this, but then I guess that default one will do, and tap on generate free AI video. Of course, we do need to go ahead and enter our personal detail so that we could go ahead and log in or provide our data to Synthesia from there. Just dab on generate free video, and that should be good to go now. That's all for this video. Your free video that is gonna be generated will be sent to you and generated on the website. And that's how you guys do the text to video AI generator for free. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.